Hi, I'm David Clemon on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to paint a wooden food tray. All right. In closing, just wanted to go over what we did here today, and that is we didn't buy, but we have a unfinished balsa wood tray that you can buy at any arts and crafts store. And so once we got that, we decided to draw a still life of fruit in the bottom of the tray. So we practiced doing it on paper, and then we drew it into the tray. We started with really light paints to kind of trace out and draw what we wanted our final image to be. We colored all those in. Then we painted the background of the tray. We did the sides. Then we flipped it over. We flipped it over and did the sides. Then after we did that, we textured and painted the lip of the tray. And then in closing, we learned how to spray and clear coat this tray so we can use it for many years to come. And that is painting a wood tray.